As coronavirus continues to bring challenges to the usual ways of operating programs, the Salvation Army is taking new approaches in order to care for those affected by the crisis. Members of the Salvation Army in Posadas, Argentina, have identified a lack of transport as a particular barrier to some in the community having access to essential supplies. They are working to deliver food and other items to those without cars, as well as opening their centre as a collection point for the neighbourhood. In Massachusetts, USA, the Salvation Army has already converted its food pantry to a drive-through operation, but it has also been able to make a special delivery after hearing from a local teacher about a family of 6 unable to leave their home. Food supplies are a key part of the Salvation Army's response in Trinidad and Tobago, where emergency food bags are distributed to those in need twice a week. Restrictions in Rwanda mean that movement is difficult, with small businesses severely affected and many traders unable to operate. This has presented particular problems for those who buy food on a day-to-day basis. Though the Salvation Army locally has been short of the means to help as they would wish to, through international funding, they have been able to put together 350 food packages and to provide soap and health leaflets for the community. The Salvation Army in Jinja, Uganda, has been working with the government to distribute corn flour, beans, and cooking oil to the community. These are a lifeline to vulnerable residents. Drinks, meals, clothing, and a listening ear are all being provided from a converted truck in Victoria, Canada. The vehicle goes out into the community 3 days a week and is often the only source of supplies for those experiencing homelessness in the city. At least 250 people are fed each time. With the support of the Salvation Army in Korea, officers and volunteers in Mongolia have helped to distribute hygiene packages to vulnerable people, particularly older people. 500 face masks have also been distributed so far. In Mali, the Salvation Army is seeking to improve public awareness of COVID-19 and the ways in which the spread can be countered. More than 100,000 people are predicted to see health messaging on 5 advertising hoardings rented by the Salvation Army. In addition, 12,000 households are being provided with advice and hand-washing supplies. A Salvation Army thrift store in Lithuania has been able to reopen with strict hygiene and social distancing measures in order to provide affordable clothing to Lithuanians experiencing financial hardship as a result of the virus. Marking International Children's Day this week, the Salvation Army in Romania has given out gift bags and toys to children. Despite celebrations taking a different form to usual, the day has been an important way to spread joy. Updates on the Salvation Army's coronavirus response are posted regularly on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and our website. Please bring before God all those who are vulnerable and those who are working to meet needs at this time.